This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit an HTML website. First, locate the specific HTML file you intend to modify on your computer or server. Next, select a reliable text editor. Options range from simple Notepad to more advanced tools like VS Code. Before making any changes, always create a backup copy of your original file. This crucial step ensures you can revert to the previous version if needed, saving you potential headaches and lost work. It's a simple but essential precaution. Understanding the basic structure of an HTML document is key. Every HTML page begins with an HTML tag and contains a head and a body section. The head typically holds metadata, while all the visible content, such as text, images, and links, lives inside the body tags. Elements are usually defined by both an opening tag and a corresponding closing tag, like P for a paragraph. This structure helps organize your content effectively. Once you understand the structure, you can start editing. Navigate to the specific line of code or element you wish to modify within your chosen text editor. You might be changing text content, updating an image source, or adjusting a link's destination. After making your desired modifications, it is vital to save your file. Use the Save or Save as option in your editor, typically found under the File menu. Saving regularly prevents loss of work. After saving your edits, the next crucial step is to preview your work. Simply open your modified HTML file directly in any web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, to see how your changes appear. Carefully review everything to ensure all modifications are correct and display as intended. Once you are satisfied, you can then upload the updated file to your web server. This is typically done using an FTP client or through your hosting provider's control panel, making your changes live for everyone to see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.